With artificial intelligence, we can now restore our old family photos and can turn them into high quality. Look at the link in the video description and then you go to this page here. And we get a few previews here. You can see from this old pixel photo, you can turn that into a very good quality, okay? Click here on codes and then click on hugging face. And here we get some examples here. This is the original input photo somewhere in the 90s, and then it comes out with this result here. We get some other examples here. This photo was created with AI and you can see here the eyes and the teeth from this girl. It looks very strange, okay? A little bit weird. And now here on this output result you can see here the eyes very clean and the teeth, the mouth very nice, okay? And now let's give it a try to see how it works, okay? Just delete this example photo here and then you can choose a photo. Look at this one. This is an old photo from this young girl. You can see here. This photo has a few scratches here and the face doesn't look clean, okay? It's an old photo and now we move this photo here and then let's check it here. You can see here the parameters here from these examples. The rescaling factor is 2 from all of them, and then the code form of fidelity 0 for better quality and 1 for better identity. And I think we tried also with 0.7 like the examples. Okay, and just send it. And now it takes a while to create or to restore the old photo. And now we get the result here. You already can see the difference here, okay? And then you just download the picture here, see out PNG with 2.4 megabyte. You can download it here directly and let's have a look. How is it different now? This is the old photo here and this is the output from the new photo. You can see the quality is amazing from the new photo, okay? It has still the scratches here, but look at the eyes. Look at the details from the face and the mouth, and this is really amazing. The result. I really like it, and I think in the future that will improve a lot. Okay, and now let me show you another example. I can show you with this guy here. You can see it's a very old photo. The quality isn't clear. Now we take this out here and just move this guy here inside, and we leave the parameters like that. Rescaling factor 2 and code format fidelity, we leave it on 0.7, okay? Just click on send and then let's wait what we get. And now we got it, and look there. Wow, what an amazing result. Just download the photo here and let's compare it. See here, this is the original and this is the new one. Looks amazing. You can see the eyes very clean, everything, and also you can see the blue from the eyes here, and the bird very nice, very clean. So I think everyone knows this guy here. You can see this is a very old photo. The quality is bad, is very bad, and you can also see a guy here in the background. So let's do it. Just move him here and send it. And now look what we got here. This is an amazing result. You can see we don't have to compare the two pictures in bigger quality. You can see here very clean, like a new photo. And look at the guy here in the background. Really impressive. I told you that we can also restore photos we made with AI, okay? And this is what I want to show you now. I made a photo from Salma Hayek as Lara Croft. You can see here that looks really strange, this photo. You can see her eyes here, and I don't know what is that, and I think we can do it much better. We can improve it, and let's see what we get. Let's take the photo and we leave everything and send it. Now we get our result, but you can see here it doesn't change too much, okay? Now we can improve it a little bit. Maybe we turn this down here at 0.4 and send it. Let's see what we get. And now we get the result, and you can see that looks really different now. You can see here the eyes now looks normal and the mouth looks different. Much better. So look at the original. You can see here her eyes. Very strange. Okay, but now you can see he's looking in front, and not this eye is looking at look at me at the moment, and this eye doesn't look at me, it looks to the right side here from me, okay? But yeah. But in this photo here now, very clean, her eyes and also the mouth, you can see a big improvement of this photo. Okay, if the first photo isn't good, then just play around with that here. At this Codeformer Fidelity, you can turn it a little bit down to get a better quality. And that's it. Now you can restore your old family photos without spending any money, okay? Or you can restore or improve your images you made with AI. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye.
Ha ha ha.